Prime news this evening. Running out of space. Funeral home seeks help with storage as COVID-19 cases rise. Online funerals. A new occurrence with physical distancing. But are Jamaicans logging on? Freedom. Quarantine in Corn Peace, Clarendon lifted after 28-day lockdown. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, both on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, we have the Financial Week, sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening: what are your thoughts on calls for the government to implement an island-wide lockdown to contain the spread of COVID-19?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.